What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. We are going to do another vlog, another day in the life of coffee shop owner, but let's see where this one takes us. Let's see what will be like my title for this one and what I'm going to kind of probably show you guys. But yeah, let's head to the coffee shop. Let's see what they're at. I am actually going a little bit later than normal. I'm heading to the coffee shop now. I normally head to the coffee shop very early, pero hoy estamos un poquito más tardecido. Estamos empezando el día un poquito más tarde, so let's see what I'm gonna walk myself into. So let's drive there. Si la gente se mueve, porque la gente de verdad que dice 70 y van a 65. So pray for this girl because she has road rage. Aventurándome por tu piel, no quieres que pare. ¿Qué te parece que tengo en mente una vuelta por la ciudad?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Alex, call her by Alex because it's like a little, yeah, it's gonna be a little complicated. You're welcome, my love. Enjoy.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Bagel or everything bagel? Everything bagel. And I have my Swiss croissant. That is it for you, ladies. Okay, can I have it, please? Alright, Chelsea, it'll prompt you in a couple of seconds. And go ahead. We'll call you shortly, okay?
Artlist.io.
I'll tell you right now. Make them well, please. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Thanks for coming. I'm pretty sure See, just a regular 12-ounce latte and a brown sugar and cinnamon because they're on this. They're separate. They're not together. Hi guys, are you picking up? Yes. What's the name? It's a smoked salmon and a cookie butter lover, right? Here you go. Enjoy, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
That's it for today. Se acabó el día, se acabó lo que se daba. That's just me working in my coffee shop. Working a shift. I have my kiddos with me. They had to bring half of my kiddos, a little bit more than half of my kiddos to work. Nothing, guys. Until next video. Bye, y'all.